start करते हैं लोग light chapter we were simply discussing in which we were discussing reflection of light. Just see reflection of light in the case of spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors. So we were discussing this, and we had already discussed the rules regarding the ray diagram, how to draw the diagram, how the light ray will pass through the various points of the mirror, and how its image can be formed. Okay, it's a clear. Just see in between. Once again, I am telling, just enter the class within 5 minutes of starting the class. In between, I may not allow you. So just see, rules already discussed. Normal, how to draw the normal in the case of a spherical mirror, we have already discussed. Our target is, my voice is clear now? Sound is coming to all of you or not? Yes? Yes. Sound is coming to all of you? Okay, okay. Okay, now fan is running. If you sound will not be there, then I will simply put up the fan. So now we have also shown two types of the mirror, which we had also differentiated. Many more points we had given for them, like the converging mirror, diverging mirror, real focus, virtual focus. Size of the image, magnification we have not studied till now. That's why I am not going to mention. Later we will mention. So our next target is, after getting the value or rules for the ray diagram, we will see how the image is formed in the case of the spherical mirror. Means if the position of the object will be different in front of the mirror, the size, the nature of the image will also be different. So just see, in the case of plane mirror, there was no any variation. Image is always erect, always virtual, and always symmetrical. But in the case of spherical mirrors like concave and convex, we will see there is also variation in the size, in the nature. Okay. So first of all, just see, this is the concave mirror in which we have just shown the related terms: pole focus, center of curvature, principal axis. So just imagine how many positions will be there. These all things we have discussed in our previous classes. This time our target is to provide you numerical approach. So these are the theoretical concepts that will clear you the numerical concept. फिर से बोल रहे थे, ध्यान सुनना, theoretical कमांड होगा, सारे न्यूमेरिकल ABCD हो जाएंगे, बहुत ही इजी होगा न्यूमेरिकल, एकदम ABCD लगेगा। अगर सारे क्लास अटेंड करते हो तो देखना कि कैसे हम न्यूमेरिकल जो चार्ट दिया है वो 400 न्यूमेरिकल बनाएंगे और बहुत इजियर वे में बनाएंगे, कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट हाउ मेनी पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट में बी देयर। So just when the object will be placed in between these two here, at any point in between C and A, one position, second exactly at A, third in between C and A, fourth exactly at C, fifth beyond C, and sixth very far away, that is infinity. So this sixth position of the object will be there, and in all the cases we have to show the nature as well as size of the image and position. If the object is here, where will be the image? If the object is equals same in large, what will be the size of the image, that is in large or definition. In the plane mirror, size same, distance same, nature same, but this time all will be different or same values. So very simple way, in very simple way, once again many students are joining in between the classes. Just join the class as soon as I start the class within 5 minutes. So one by one we will start fast. So before this we will write the heading like image formation in concave mirror. Just see. Our target is concave mirror. Image, how the image will be formed in different conditions. बोर्ड क्लियर आ रहा है सबको? पूरा बोर्ड आप थोड़ा बड़ा कर दें? ठीक है जी। आप चलो ध्यान से देखना। फर्स्ट, when the object is at infinity, we have placed the object very very far away, then how the image will be formed? Just draw the diagram right in the this is T, this is F, this is infinity. The light ray is coming from infinity because the object is at infinity. So from infinity, parallel ray forms. One ray, two ray, minimum two rays are required so that their intersection point can be obtained to get the position of image. So rule number one, light ray coming parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus. So at this point, there is an actual intersection of the reflected ray. It means image will be formed at end. So what will be the nature? Let's see. Nature after that position and after that size. Means nature of, let's see, image formation is concept. Image के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. So nature of image, position of image, size of image, not of object. Heading it. Just see, it is actual intersection. Generally, we see the image is real when it is inverted, but here it is simply dot, simply point size image. So how can we know that it is whether it is inverted or erect? So just see, this is actual intersection, and due to actual intersection, real image. So you can write it as real and inverted. पंखा बंद कर दे रहे जी, साउंड तो क्लियर आएगा। अब आवाज क्लियर आ रहा होगा, फैन बंद कर दिए। आ रहा है? चलो तो देख लो, इमेज क्या हो गया? रियल एंड इनवर्टेड। फिगर छोटा छोटा बनाओगे प्रैक्टिस के लिए। पोजीशन देखो कहां पर रहा है इमेज? being formed at F means focus. You can write at F. Take care. A small f focal length, capital F point. Size, point size, very small. Diminish, you can write point size. Point size is very very, means it looks like the dot. If you will say a small means size is small, means simply it is the object, then this is a small, this is a small, but this is very very small. It is like the point size. First, second case. Now, when the object is now, it was very very far away from pillar. Second case, it is beyond C. When the object is beyond C, in center of curvature के beyond. Diagram देख लो. P, F, C. Beyond C, this is the object which is situated just beyond the C. Rule number one, parallel ray coming from object passes through the focus. Rule number second, you have to draw the second line just after the object. Which point is closer? C is closer, much closer. So the second ray will pass through this C. Rule number 3, if the light ray passing through C, it will reflect back through C. So two reflected ray is intersecting at this point, and this is just inverted principal axis. It is above the principal axis, it is below. So once again there is an actual intersection, it is real. This time it is inverted. So directly you can write real and inverted. So N for nature, P for position, S for height. So nature is real and inverted. Position between F and C. In short, I am writing between F and C. Size. Still it is a smaller with respect to the size of the object. Means it is diminished. If you forget to write a diminished, you can write a small. Just see. Note down. We will move forward with some other diagrams. These are simply the diagrams which we have already discussed in previous classes. But here there was a gap in class 9, in class 8 also. No reflection was there. In class 7 it was. So just it is a reminder, okay? And also in syllabus. So you may be asked to draw the ray diagram. Once again, I am telling the homework will be always to practice the ray diagram. You have to practice yourself the ray diagram, whatever I have discussed, explained in the class. Okay, just note down, then I will move to the third condition. हो गया जी, बोलना हो जाता, बोलना है, समझना है मेनली। हाँ जी, डन, ओके ओके। थर्ड केस में आते हैं। फर्स्ट बियॉन्ड sorry at infinity, beyond C, now it is at C. When the object is at C, center of curvature, just the diagram. Very simple diagram. F लाइव क्लास का बेनिफिट क्या है सुन लो। जो बच्चे उतारते हो कि चलो क्लास में ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे, उतार लेंगे अपने फ्रेंड से, तो तुम सामने देख रहे हो ये कंप्लीट डायग्राम है, फ्रॉम वेयर टू स्टार्ट एंड वेयर टू फिनिश। लेकिन जो उतारेंगे उनको नहीं पता कि यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें फिर ये बनाए, वो कहीं से स्टार्ट करके कुछ बना देंगे डायग्राम। तो क्लास करने का बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग, हाउ टू स्टार्ट एंड हाउ टू फिनिश। जैसे हम लोग इसमें दिखा रहे हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट सी, दिस टाइम ऑब्जेक्ट इज देयर। So what will happen? First है that is parallel. Rule number 1, passing through F. Second, this object is just path F है। F से rule number 2, if the light ray is coming passing through F, it will become parallel. So this time it will become parallel. So it will simply form the image at C. C पर रखेंगे, C पर ही नहीं बनेगा। जितना बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट है उतना ही बड़ा बनेगा। तो एरो जरूर दोगे। एरो ही शो करता है कि कौन इंसिडेंट रे है और कौन रिफ्लेक्टेड है। अब जो बच्चा इसको छापेगा जी, वो तो शुरू करेगा कि चलो ऐसे बना लिए, पहले इधर एक बना खींच देते, फिर इधर खींच देते हैं, फिर इधर खींच देते, फिर इधर, कहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो नो, वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स। एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर, two light rays, minimum 2 light rays coming from object, so that the intersection point can be obtained to find the location or position of the object image. So first ray parallel passing through F. Second, just opposite is passing through F, become parallel. Intersecting point at C. So the nature will be once again it is real and inverted. Real and inverted. Position at C. Size same size. Just we have seen as the object is moving towards the mirror, the size is increasing. इन्फिनिटी पर था तो छोटा बना डॉट, थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ा बियॉन्ड सी, थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ, लेकिन अभी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा था। जब सी पर आया तो ऑब्जेक्ट के बराबर होती। अब अगर ये और आगे जाएगा तो इस बार साइज उसका बढ़ेगा। तो एक कंक्लूजन मिला कि as the object moves toward the mirror, its size gradually increases. Condition 4, when the ऑब्जेक्ट इज, अब सी के बाद सी और एफ के बीच इज between F and C, just C happens. This is P, this is F, this is C. Here is the object. First parallel passing through F. Second, simply F becomes parallel. Just see. This time the size is larger. And never you will get the same position. ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन कभी भी सेम नहीं मिलेगा. सेम का मतलब कि दो केस में सेम आंसर आएगा नहीं. एवरी टाइम यू विल गेट द डिफरेंट वैल्यू. and later we will see, we will obtain the numerically. वही न्यूमेरिकल कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ जी, वही न्यूमेरिकल कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ कि बाद में इसी को हम जो अभी बोल रहे हैं कि बियॉन्ड सी बनेगा, उसके जगह न्यूमेरिकली बोलेंगे 10 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर, 40 सेंटीमीटर. तो नेचर देखो, नेचर इट इज रियल एंड वर्टेड. उल्टा है. पोजीशन beyond C, size this time it is enlarged. बड़ा इमेज होता है इसके रिस्पेक्ट में. अगला बार और आगे जाएगा और बड़ा साइज विल ग्रो. जस्ट नोट डाउन, प्रैक्टिस. हैव टू ड्रॉ very small diagram so that it can be very simple and easy. And if you will not practice, you will never get it in your mind. I am telling you, 2 or 3 times if you are just practicing on in your rough copy, and when you will prepare final copy, then 2 times you will practice, it will be automatically in your mind. Okay, so again and again you have to practice whenever you are relaxed. Okay, now I am going to practice for the ray diagram of this system. You can do like that. Okay, so note down 2 more conditions are there. For next time it will be at F, and next time it will be in between this. So 6 conditions are there, and numerically there are variety, many conditions. Means you can't say that sir only 2 conditions are there. No, many more conditions will be there. Then you can see how we can say that so many conditions, so many numerical value will be there. Because here we are showing only one condition in between F and C. But suppose if it is at 10, it is at 20, in between 10 and 20, no only one condition is there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10 point something, 10 point something, 11 point something. Many more positions will be there. Okay. So now the next condition, the fifth, when the object is at F, focus, what will happen? This is the diagram P, F, C. Now exactly the object is there. See, the rule is simple. First line parallel passing through F. In many more books, you will get 2 diagrams. I am also going to draw the 2 diagram, but answer will be same. First, second. After this point, P is there. So when second ray will strike at pole, just see what will happen. This is the angle at which it is incident. So at same angle it will return. So this will be parallel line. Just see. These 2 reflected lines will be parallel. This is one figure. Another figure is, or you can draw, or 2 figures are. Any one you can draw, but in note copy you can note down both, so that in the examination you can draw either of these 2. Here, first parallel base. Second case, this C, the light ray, and rule number 3, when the light ray will passing through C, it will retrace its path. So this will again parallel. Just see, both the figures are same. So the answer will be common. Nature, position, size. Nature is two parallel lines never meet, but there is a concept, there is a logic that they will meet at infinity. Once again, listen. If two lines meet each other, they will never be regarded as parallel lines. But there is a concept because there is no infinity, there is no definition, no exact idea regarding that. That's why we say they will meet at infinity. So whenever they will meet below this principal axis, and below principal axis it will be inverted in. So it can be regarded as real and inverted. Just see. Position at infinity. Size in large. बहुत बड़ा होगा. बहुत दूर जाकर मिलेगा तो बहुत बड़ा. Very large magnified. Two figure will be there. Same answer will be there. Note down. In the last case, sixth case, once again there will be two figures. Note down. And if there is any problem to anyone, you can ask. Practice is required. Without practice, you will be never successful to draw the diagram yourself. I am telling you. We are writing each and every time on the blackboard. That's why we have got it in our mind. Okay. So now the sixth condition. Now object between F and P. When the object is between F and P, pole and focus के बीच. So this time what will happen? Let's see. P, F, C. This time here is the object. First rule, parallel, passing through. Don't think, sir, why it is intersecting the object. No, there is no actual condition that there is a wall, there is an opaque object. No, this is simply the concept for drawing the diagram. Second, pole. It will move like this. So the previous figure and in this figure, there is a difference. They are moving away from each other. They are diverging. Diverging means there is increase in the divergence. Their distance is increasing. Just see. This is and this. So the divergence is increasing. They will never meet. So what do? We simply produce them in this way. So this is the virtual section. So what will happen? An erect image will be formed. Just see. This segment is virtual, imaginary. So here it is appearing. They are appearing. They seem to meet at that particular point. लग रहा है ऐसा कि वहां मिलेगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया जी? नेचर क्या हो गया? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. देख लो इमेज इस बार सीधा बना. पोजीशन behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. मिरर के पीछे अंदर कोई पोजीशन नहीं है कि बोल सकते हैं बियॉन्ड सी बियॉन्ड है. तो केवल मिरर के पीछे. साइज. साइज भी बोल सकते हो मैग्नीफाइड, इनलार्ज. मैग्नीफाइड बोलो चाहे इनलार्ज. एक और डायग्राम बनेगा वो भी हम बना दे रहे इसी तरह का. देख लो पहले उसमें हम इस सी से पास करेंगे तो वो भी डाइवर्जेंस बढ़ेगा. नोट डाउन कर लो जल्दी सा. Same result will be there, diagram will be different. So one more diagram I will draw. Okay. Do fast. हो जाए तो बोलना. हो गया? तुम लोग का आवाज नहीं आता है, चैट बॉक्स में लिख दिया करो। ओके, चलो ध्यान दो। दूसरा डायग्राम, आंसर तो यही रहेंगे, केवल डायग्राम चेंज हो जाएगा और करके बना लो। देखो ये हमारा पी एफ सी यहाँ रख दिए, पहला ऐसे गया, इस सी से इससे पार हुआ, दूसरा बोले पी से जाएगा, पीसी पे लौटेगा, देखो इन दोनों के बीच का डाइवर्जेंस धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है। फिगर बनाने में केयर करना, इससे पहले का फिगर में both lines should be parallel, but this time the divergence is increasing, they will never meet. What will you do? You will simply extend in this direction, so this will be simply the diagram. Once again, virtual erect, behind the mirror, magnified or enlarged. Note down the same diagram will be there. Answer will be same, diagram will be different. लो, हाँ बोलो, ठीक है? चलो नोट करो, डायग्राम देख लो, पीछे वही डायग्राम है, केवल सेकंड वाला जो हमारा लाइन पे था वही पे इंसिडेंट कर रहा था, उसको हम सेंटर कर देते। तो एक्चुअली लाइन तो इनफाइनाइट आ रहे हैं, यहाँ से हर पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है। आवर टारगेट इज टू यूटिलाइज टू रेज वन, नॉट डाउन। So you all need to practice the diagram, because in the classroom I will call you one by one or two students at the same time, and I will provide you the different diagram, you have to draw yourself. Okay, and that time I will not treat you softly. Okay, so now this was the image formation in which we have just seen. In most of the cases, in 5 cases we have obtained real image, in one case we have obtained virtual. That's why in the case of the differences we had written, concave mirror can form real as well as virtual both images, inverted as well as erect, same size, smaller, enlarged. Okay, so this is the mirror having the different nature, different size, different position. Now our target is to look for the image formation in the case of convex mirror. After that we will have the comparison, and this shows their properties, characteristics, and on these characteristics it has many applications. हर फिगर का अपना कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है जी। कनकेव मिरर लैब में बहुत सारे हैं, दिखाएंगे, उसमें फिगर देखोगे उल्टा दिखोगे, उल्टा दिख रहा है इसका मतलब रियल इमेज है। कभी सीधा हो जाओगे यानी कि वर्चुअली बना रहा है, तो लगता है कि आईना में हम देखेंगे छोटा सा मिरर, सीधा उल्टा कैसे होगा सर? यस इट इज पॉसिबल, you are just inverted, but when you come closer to it, it means your face is in between P and F, your image will be erect. We can realize, I will show you in the classroom. Okay, now next topic is image formation in convex mirror. Now target is convex. In concave we have just seen the cases, 6 cases. Now we have to see in the case of convex mirror how many positions will be there. Just see, I am telling you, first of all just see, this is convex mirror FCP. These are virtual segments, virtual parts. Only object can be placed in this way. Where you will keep the object? If you will keep here or here, it will be simply known as the object is in front of you. Only one case is there, and another very very far away, that is unconnected. So this is the second case. Only 2 cases are there. So it is very simple. So we will draw very fast. First, when the object is at infinity, just note down when the object is at infinity. Just see. This is focus. This is center of gravity. Infinity means light rays coming parallel. These are parallel light rays. So rule number one: light ray parallel. They will appear to diverge at this focus. Just it will move forward, backward. It will again move in this way. So just see, two reflected rays are not intersecting. When they are produced backward, they appear to intersect at point P. This is virtual section. This is not actual intersection. It means nature is virtual and erect. Position is at F. Size is point size. Point size means diminish, a smaller. So just note down only two figures we have. So this is the one of the first figure, and second when the object will be placed at the infinity. So what will happen there? Second case, right? When the object is in front of mirror, or for any position you can write. For any position means एक्सेप्ट इंफिनिटी, यहाँ है या यहाँ है, कहीं भी रहेगा जी। इंफिनिटी के अलावा कहीं भी रख दो ऑब्जेक्ट को उसके सामने, उसका इमेज कैसा बनेगा वो हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं। देखो सेकंड लिख दिए ना, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज in front of mirror means for any position. टाइम है, कटा नहीं ना जी, अभी है 2 मिनट, कट जाएगा। देखो ध्यान से, this is F, this is C, this is P, यहाँ रख दिए। पर एनी पोजीशन पे यहाँ से लाइट चला पैरेलल। रूल नंबर 1 इस फोकस से वो दूर जाएगा। देख लो दूसरा इस C की ओर, तो ये अंदर जाएगा डॉटेड लाइन, तो C से लौटेगा। तो देखो ये दोनों कहाँ मिला, यहीं पे। तो नेचर हो गया वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट। वर्चुअल क्यों? क्योंकि एक्चुअल इंटरसेक्शन है और वर्चुअल सेक्शन है और सीधा इसलिए इरेक्ट। पोजीशन बिटवीन P एंड F, साइज डिफरेंस। तो कहीं रखेंगे कन्वेक्स मिरर में, इमेज हमेशा छोटा ही बनेगा। यहाँ रखो, यहाँ रखो, यहाँ रखो, हमेशा छोटा बनेगा। ऑब्जेक्ट इधर घसकाते जाओ आगे पीछे, ये इमेज बीच के बीच में घसकते रहेगा। घसकते घसकते इन्फिनिटी चल जाओ, ये घसकते घसकते एफ पर आ जाओ। यही है इस डायग्राम देख लो, क्लियर अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो ये एक रे इधर क्या, और दूसरा ये सी से लौटा। बुक में सारे फिगर्स हैं, तुम लोग मेनली नोट कर लो कैसे बनाना है। इससे हमको न्यूमेरिकल को कंफर्म करने में मदद मिलेगा, ध्यान रखना। सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स इसी से बनेंगे। क्लास 7 के अभी तक ये अप्रोच है। Till here we will discuss only virtual image is formed by convex, only बिजनेस image हमेशा छोटा ही होता है, and this will show the applications. Okay, so this is for today's class. We will start tomorrow with the applications uses of the spherical mirror. Okay, and also we will have some of the discussion regarding the numerical concept. So your homework is to practice ray diagram only. You have to practice the ray diagram for concave and convex. and move parallel with me. Means you have to prepare the note copy parallelly each and every day. कोई दिक्कत किन्हीं को है तो पूछ लो. कल भी हमारा क्लास होगा ऑनलाइन ही, ऑफलाइन नहीं है कल. यहाँ के बाद होगा दिक्कत पड़ोगे. स्टार्टिंग में पूछ लेना है. और नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हम क्लास में बात करेंगे. हुएवर इज प्रेजेंट एंड हुएवर इज ऑब्सेंट, दोनों से हम बात करेंगे बच्चों से. अटेंडेंस हम अभी निकाल कर रख लेंगे. ठीक है. कोई डाउट तो पूछ लो. डिस्कनेक्ट होगा इसलिए अब हम आगे शुरू नहीं कर रहे हैं. डिस्कनेक्ट हो सकता है कभी भी.